So I'm going to show you how to use the send later feature in the Messages app on your iPhone. So there's actually a new feature starting iOS 18 and later iOS versions that allow you to schedule text messages. So that feature is called send later. So you go to Messages app on your iPhone, open up that conversation where you want to schedule a message, and let's schedule a message like good morning, for instance. Okay. So I want to send this message later. It's currently too early. It's 6:16 a.m. Let's say I want to send this message at 8 o'clock in the morning. So you type your message and then tap on the plus symbol on the left hand side and then scroll and then find send later. Tap on that. That's going to open up the schedule. So you can schedule a text message to be sent anytime. So any date. So you can actually go scrolling and find a specific date. Now mine is I want it today, but at 8 o'clock in the morning. So I'm going to choose my time. This is the hours, minutes. I'm going to put mine at 8 o'clock. And then once I'm happy with the date and time, just tap on this icon and that's it. I've scheduled that message. It's going to get sent at that particular time. So you can see any scheduled message is going to have this dotted line around it. That tells you the message is there, it's pending, it's going to get sent later. Now, at any time, you can come back to this, tap on edit, and then you can either send the message right now. If you've changed your mind and you want to send that good morning right away, you can tap on send message, or you can reschedule by tapping on edit time. And then you can change the time. Maybe the message is meant for tomorrow. You can choose tomorrow's date, and then that's it. Okay, simple as that. So also, if you want to, you can delete a scheduled message by just tapping on the delete option. So that is basically how to use the send later feature on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and good luck.